Are you tired of getting errors in PowerShell ISE? Can't run this, can't run that because you're on PS version table 5.1. Tired of being able to run stuff and you can't because you need 7. Well, today I'm going to show you this. Pretty neat. Check it out. What you're going to do is you're going to download Visual Studio Code. Now, Visual Studio Code. You can get it from Ninite. I already have it installed, but you can click this, get your Ninite, going to download it. I have an extra one. You can always click on it. Doesn't matter. Every time you run this, it's going to get the most updated version. Cool. If you want to install PowerShell through WinGet, here's the command. You can just Google it. If you want to install PowerShell, probably going to want to, the newest version, you can use WinGet as well, or you can use the store. Doesn't matter. Get it, install VS Code, install PowerShell. Make sure you get this one. Install this. Install them both. Once you get those, open up VS Code, Visual Studio Code, go to File, new text file, select the language, PowerShell. Now, I've done this quite a bit for the tutorial, so it may not ask me, but you're probably going to want to download and install PowerShell. You're going to want to do that. So, again, go back, close this out, because it'll show you it does it automatically. New text file, select language. I don't know why I didn't type it in. Select language. Ping, F5. You can close this window, it doesn't matter. Boom. You want to see what version table? 7. Boom. So there you go. Don't know if you knew about it or not. I didn't until a couple of days ago. Stumbled upon it. If you like it, thanks. Peace.